friends, this is me Harikishan Jadhav. Today we are going to discuss about the topic name. The topic name is much more interesting. It is related to core Java. So the topic name is what is programming. So first we understood that what is the programming. The programming is nothing but the logical concept which is totally related to coding language, coding, or what is your logic or what is an implementation regarding coding. So this is nothing but programming. In programming there are two concepts. One is a theoretical concept, one is a logical concept. Theoretical concept which is totally related to OOPS or whatever it may be, collection, or logical concept that's in programming. That's when we are considering in this that array, string, whatever it may be, which are considering in core Java. So first we take one example which is related to programming. So Java we can take as a programming language. So Java is nothing but object-oriented programming language which is related to the object. It is established in June 1995 by James Gosling. So in Java there are various types various concepts are going to introduce, like array, string, collection, or OOPS concept, abstraction, multi-threading, like other concepts are going to be introduced which are going to help to developer for the programming purposes. So ultimately it will be helpful for developer when the developers are doing programming or coding or implementation of logical concept. Ultimately those things are helping to the developer in programming. So programming, that concept is totally related to logical part. That's mean we can say our if your logic is strong, then our programming is also good or strong. So we can say that. So it is totally depend on logic, and the theoretical part, that's we have to learn in programming, that how we can read those concepts, so we can recognize those points or those concepts. So ultimately it will be helpful to the developer. So programming language, there are different types of language, so like Java, C++, Python, or various type of language which is totally related to the which having their own specification. So Java is nothing but Java is object-oriented program language. But in C and C++, there are various assumptions. So the declarations of variable or another concept are different. So every language having a different type of criteria. So declaration there are in their language there are different types of varieties are available, like the declaration of variable, or the syntax of writing method, or syntax of writing code. So in Java there are different type of syntax. In C++ there are different type of syntax. In Python or machine learning, in all language having their different types of syntax available. So in programming these languages are mostly used, but Java is the base language of all language. If you know about Java, then you can handle any programming language. So Java is also known as the base language of all language. And C++ or C++ or C, these are the sub part of Java language. So ultimately it will be helpful to developer so while doing programming. So in this video we are covered the point that what is a programming, what is the uses of programming, and what is a concept. It is a logical concept or theoretical concept which is totally related to the Java language. So we take one example which is regarding Java programming language. So ultimately it will be helpful to developer for the programming purposes, and the other logical concept which are the developer using while they are doing programming, or while they are working on the various type of project. So ultimately it will be helpful for the developer. So the today topic, the programming language. We understood the programming. What is the concept of programming language? So this is all about the today's topic. What is the programming? Thank you.